There are so many ways to make chicken in your Instant Pot. So today on the Spicy Apron Cooking Show, I am going to show you the quickest and easiest way to whip up a big old batch of shredded chicken that's moist and delicious, and you can use it in all of your chicken recipes. And make sure to stay tuned because I've got a super awesome trick to shred that chicken in less than a minute. And if you're looking for more quick and easy Instant Pot pressure cooker meals, then go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell because I've got loads of them on my channel and I've got even more to come. Welcome back to the Spicy Apron Cooking Show. My name is Heather and I am here to show you the easiest way to get the best results in your kitchen. And not surprisingly, pressure cookers are way up there on ways to accomplish that. And I know my way around the Instant Pot. I am the author of 2 authorized Instant Pot cookbooks. I'll put links to those below if you are interested. Today we are going to make quick and easy shredded Instant Pot chicken, and it's super delicious and flavorful, and you can use it in all of your chicken recipes. So all you need, this is super easy guys, so don't blink or you might miss it. 1 cup of liquid. I use chicken broth to add a little bit of extra flavor. You can also use water if you want. And about 1 to 2 pounds of chicken breasts or thighs, boneless, skinless, and cut them into pieces that are about 4 or 5 inches. This is basically each breast I cut in half. Just stick those right in your Instant Pot. And once that chicken is in the pot, all you're gonna do is add some salt and pepper. And you can also add more of that later to add even more flavor. And I always love fresh ground pepper. All right, all we're gonna do now, put that lid on, make sure that the vent is turned to sealing. And by the way, today I'm using my Mealthy multi-pot, which I love, and I also have lots of Instant Pots as well, so this will work with any pressure cooker that you have. Make sure the valve is turned to sealing, and go ahead and hit either pressure cook, manual. I use the poultry button because I have that set to 7 minutes, which is perfect for this boneless, skinless chicken. Let it come to pressure and then cook for 7 minutes and then sit for 5 minutes and release the pressure. And by the way, please comment below with what dish you're going to use this shredded chicken in. I love to put it on tacos and tostadas and in salads and in pastas, but I want to hear all of your awesome, crazy ideas. So go ahead and put those in the comments below. All right, the chicken is cooked. The pressure is released. Let's check it out. There it is. This is about 1.5 pounds to 2 pounds of chicken. So you can see, I think you can see, you have these big chunks of chicken. And now the secret, I am going to shred it with my hand blender. Hand mixer, I guess it's a hand mixer. Now, I did not know this trick until I was almost 50 years old. Guys, I feel so dumb. Put a comment below to tell me if you actually knew you can shred cooked chicken directly in a pot. So we're just gonna stick it right in here and shred it up. Now start off on low speed so you don't have like a big old mess on your hands. And you'll just watch it shred and just keep shredding until it's the texture you like. You can leave it nice and big and chunky or get it really finely shredded this way. All right, that's it. I did splatter myself just a little bit. That's it, guys. That took less than a minute to shred almost 2 pounds of chicken. And I do like to leave mine just a little bit chunky, so I've got nice big pieces of chicken. I also shred it with the juice in it because it leaves that chicken nice and juicy. You can absolutely drain the liquid out before you shred it and you'll have a much drier chicken, which is great for some recipes. So let's check it out. Look at this perfectly shredded cooked chicken. You guys, I'm serious. I cannot believe I did not know that trick until I was so old. Oh my gosh. All right, so let's get this chicken up on the platter. Like I said, I use it for salads and tostadas and tacos and pastas and oh my gosh, you name it. In fact, like I said, name it. Put a comment below what you plan to use this beautiful, shredded, so easy Instant Pot chicken. Also, by the way, this chicken is from my new favorite subscription. It's called Butcher Box. They have super high quality meats. They've got pork and beef, chicken. They have wild caught salmon. It's really, really fabulous. I will put a link to that below. And also, if you're looking for more awesome Instant Pot recipes, I've got a whole download of them. Go ahead and click that link below. It's the top 10 Instant Pot recipes that I have on my blog. Let's go ahead and sprinkle a little garnish on top like I always do to make it pretty. And there you have it, your platter of chicken for all of your chicken dishes. Thank you for watching the Spicy Apron cooking show. Happy cooking and happy eating. I'm the cook, so I can use my hands because they're always clean.